Spoiler alert, this video might be talking about my most favorite cleansing balm slash makeup remover ever. Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome or welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today we're talking all about skincare. You probably already know this, but one of the most important steps in skincare is to clean your face, especially if you use sunscreen or makeup during the day. It's very important not to sleep with your makeup on or not removing the entirety of your makeup. Today we're going to review a brand called Juno Skin, and I have here their cleansing balm, clarifying cleansing powder, cleansing cookie that I will go over them with you. I've been using them for over 2 weeks now, all of the products, and I will compare them to other cleansing products from other brands that's supposed to do the same thing, and we are going to do a demo as well. I'm going to demonstrate how they work for you on camera. You better be ready for this. Let's get my glasses on and we will run through some facts. Reusable makeup remover pad. Introducing the Juno Cleansing Cookie, our reusable makeup remover pad. Just wet with water to swipe off makeup and gently exfoliate within seconds. Non-toxic, reusable, machine washable, and recyclable. It feels very soft. What you do is you just mix this with water and then you exfoliate your skin, and it's supposed to remove makeup. I have used quite a few products like this similarly from other brands, but I have to say this one feels different because it has some kind of like a foam inside thickness to it. It's very soft. It's not going to scrub away your skin. You're not going to be in pain afterwards. This is how I like to use this kind of product. Once or twice a week, I'm going to use this with my face cleanser. Just when I'm in the shower, I'm just cleansing my face, but instead of using just my finger or a Clarisonic, I'm just gonna use this because it's very gentle. I wouldn't use this in combination of other exfoliants such as like AHA peel, facial peel, chemical peels, or other physical scrub or Clarisonic. I wouldn't recommend doing that because this is exfoliating by itself. I love how multi-purpose this is. It can be used for removing makeup and for exfoliating your skin very gently at the same time. So this is a nice product. I also have here Juno Skin Clarifying Cleansing Powder. First of all, the packaging looks like this. And in the back, there's all the information you ever need. There's also a badge code on the bottom, and inside you will find the bottle like this. This papaya-derived enzyme cleanser is jam-packed with skin-nourishing goodness. It's hypoallergenic. Yes, I did that correctly in the first try. And non-stripping properties makes this powder to foam cleanser the perfect exfoliator for the everyday use. And yes, that means even the most sensitive skin type. Let me demonstrate for you right now. So when you open this, it's literally like baby powder. This is how I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I'm not going to remove my face makeup because I'm going to go out later, but I do have here Charlotte Tilbury MI Kiss, the matte. I'm going to put it on my hand right here. KVD liquid liner, which is very common and popular for how long-lasting they are. It right there. Pencil eyeliner from Stila, popular as well, so I'm sure you're familiar. For my demonstration purposes, for both this powder exfoliator and the cleansing balm, which is the VIP of this video, but we're saving that for later. Shh. I have some water here. I have paper towel. I like to use it to replace a daily cleanser. So instead of a foaming cleanser or a gel cleanser, I will use this powder cleanser because it has a little bit more of like a scrubbing effect. So what I do in the shower, like that, I'm going to put the water on there and then I will mix it, put it onto my skin. See, make some water. It's a very gentle exfoliant. You can feel a little bit of a grainy feeling at the beginning, but then it becomes like a normal cleanser almost. I'm going to wet this paper towel and wipe it off. As you can see, there is just a tiny bit of lipstick left, but most of the eyeliners are gone. As I said before, this lipstick is extremely long lasting and it's a matte formula, so it's made to stay. And look how clean it is. It's meant for a cleanser, to cleanse your face, which is the second step after you've removed your makeup already. And yeah, I really like it. It's a fun concept. It's really easy to use and I like it. And my skin afterwards is very soft. It's not going to strip all of the moisture away from your skin like some face cleansers can do. Clean 10 cleansing balm. This comes with 85 gram or 3 ounces. It's supposed to melt your makeup literally within seconds. Japanese pearl barley to nourish and brighten complexion. Antioxidant to protect your skin from free radical production and help reduce pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles. Only 10 ingredients in here, which is very rare. Usually ingredient lists for skincare products can go on and on and on, which is not a good thing. There are only 10 ingredients, so you can see and know exactly what you're putting on your face, and there's less preservatives and no microplastic in here. Supposed to remove eye makeup, lip makeup, face makeup. You twist the cap off. There is a cap, another cap here with a spatula. I have been using it up. It has a little bit of a lemony smell, so it's very refreshing. And let's do the makeup test, makeup removing test again. I don't even need that much. I'm only gonna use this much, and I'm just gonna put it onto my dry hand with the makeup on and rub it. You can see it instantly turn into this oily texture, and it's already removing everything super nicely. Yeah, the eyeliner is a little stubborn and it's sticking to my skin. All right, but with a little bit of time, look, even KVD waterproof liquid liner is being removed. And I'm going to just wipe my hand with the dry, this is just paper towel, by the way, and you can see all the makeup come onto it. And voila, this removes even more better than the cleansing powder. I use it every single day. I have used the Vanilla Co, which is a Korean brand, very similar concept to this. I have used Clinique, which is also very similar concept. I've used the Sephora. Recently, I've tried out the Sephora cleansing balm as well. This is only $15, so it's very cheap. It's the cheapest among the three. I believe the Sephora one is $10, so it's a little bit cheaper, but it doesn't blend into an oil. It stays kind of like thick and sticky, so when I rub it on my face, I feel like I'm creating wrinkles as I go. That's the thing with the Sephora one. With the Clinique one, it's the same balm and then it's supposed to turn into an oil, but it doesn't turn as oily as this one, which makes this one easier to clean your makeup off your skin. And then with the Vanilla Co is a very similar product to this. The cleansing balm itself activates even faster than the Vanilla Co, and of course it's cheaper than that one. And with this one, especially, the nice thing is that afterwards, I just feel my skin is so nice. After I rinse it off with water and cleanse it again with my face cleanser, I don't feel like my skin is dry at all. It removes mascara. Waterproof, Asian waterproof mascara. This one can remove the most comfortable on your skin. You can just feel like you are going on to a spa, a spiritual experience, and I'm so glad I tried out this brand, and I will leave the link to their website in the description box so you can try them out. I think you won't be disappointed. You will be very happy with the product. It took me a while to make this video because I wanted to make sure I tried them out and make sure that they are really great products before I recommend and do a thorough review comparison for you. Thank you so much, Juno Skin, for sending me these products to review. I hope that I can get to try more products from you in the future, and I'm going to continue to buy this myself. You know, when I like something, my face lights up, and I think you can tell in this video. I'm very excited. But yeah, that's it for this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification button so you will never miss out on my future uploads again. And have a great day. I will see you in my next one. Until next time, look into this cleansing cookie. Don't flop.